Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we've got a straightforward tutorial for all you Shopify store owners. We'll walk you through the step-by-step process of removing that Powered by Shopify text from your footer so that your brand can shine. Let's dive right in. Look at this page. See Powered by Shopify. Still show in the Shopify website. So let's start. Step 1. Accessing theme settings. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Now, navigate to the Online Store section. Online Store in the menu. Click on Themes within the Online Store section. Click on Themes. Locate the theme that you want to edit and click on the three dots next to it. Click on the three dots next to your chosen theme. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Edit Default Theme Content. So, let's jump. Edit Default Theme Content. Step 2. Removing Powered by Shopify. In the Filter Items box, type in Powered. If this is your first time changing this text, it may take a moment to load. Demonstrate typing Powered into the filter box. Once you've located the Powered by Shopify box, you're almost there. Use the spacebar on your keyboard to type a single space, effectively erasing the text. Don't forget this crucial step. Click Save to make sure your changes are applied. Let's move to the Shopify preview page, and then you can see the page. Refresh or reload the website, and then you can see Removed Powered by Shopify. Congratulations, you have successfully removed Powered by Shopify. If you're seeking assistance with anything Shopify related, feel free to get in touch through my LinkedIn profile. Just click on the link below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel